Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for joining me today. If you're new, I hope you find this video interesting enough for you to subscribe and hit that notification button and comment down below and like the video, and thank you so much for your support. So on today's video, I have something new, something different, and something dope. Yes, So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite box from Treasuretress. Yay! Alright, so Treasuretress is a monthly subscription box for kinky curly girls. And for just £20 a month, guys, £20, just £20, it's insane, just saying it. You get full size product, 5 full size products. Insane. If you were to go to stores to buy products like £20, you wouldn't even get half of those. And you get products from Shea Moisture, from Lota Body, from Cream of Nature, the list goes on. Like, you can get different every month. The box changes and there are dope goodies in there every month. And this month's box actually features a product from TwistedSista. Oh my gosh. So in this box we have the luxurious clarifying shampoo with coconut, avocado and almond oil. Say what? You know what I mean? Like crazy. It says cleanses, hydrates and nourish the hair. We also have the intensive leave-in conditioner, which serves as a leave-in conditioner as well as a deep conditioner, and I'll show you guys how I use that later. And then we have the curl perfection cream gel, which moisturizes, hold and gives you shine, girl. And then we also have the amazing dream curl gel with, again, coconut, avocado and almond oil. And last but not least, we have the nourishing sleek edge gel. Like, guys, 5 full size products. I'm not gonna say it again. Because, like, insane. So I'm starting off with washing my hair with the luxurious clarifying shampoo, because luxurious. It says to cleanses and hydrates and nourish the hair, and that is freaking true, because my hair was freaking hydrated and nourished and cleansed. You know what I'm saying? Preach it. Okay, it's enough. So I'm gonna be using my scalp massage hair invigorator, or whatever you want to call it. Just gonna use that to, you know, scrub until the hair is clean. No, I'm kidding, guys. Don't scrub too much. Just, you know, be gentle with it. Yes, I use this all the time, and I normally shampoo my hair twice because I use a lot of oils and creams and pomades and grease and everything out there. So I wash my hair twice, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. So I'm just gonna jump right to the next step, which is the intensive leave-in conditioner. But like I said, it's a deep conditioner as well as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna put this and go with my shower cap, and when it's time to wash it off, I'm gonna wash just half of it off. I'm not gonna wash all of it. I'm gonna leave some in my hair because, you know, it's a leave-in conditioner. Afterwards, I go in with my Curl Perfection cream gel. It says to moisturize, give you hold and give you shine. And then I go in and seal that in with an oil. And afterwards, I go in with my amazing Dream Curl gel, which says to elongate curls, give you strong hold and eliminate frizz. Guys, as a naturalista, what else do you want in life? Like, as a naturalista, this is all you need: elongating curls, strong hold, frizz eliminator. Like, you can't ask for anything more in life. This is all you need. All you need is love. Okay. Normally when I wash my hair, I just, you know, cornrow my hair back in 6 cornrows and just go about my day, put on my wig, because I got a life to live. I got to socialize, I got to sleep, I got to eat, and don't nobody have time to be doing your hair every day. No, that's not me. But today I was feeling inspired. I was feeling all types of you know, inspired. So I decided to be a twisted sister and twist my hair. Did you guys get that? Twisted sister and twist my hair. Okay, now enough. So I just decided to do some finger coils, because why not? We got elongating coils, strong hold and frizz eliminator. What else can you do with that if not you know, finger curls. So yeah, there I am doing finger curls, and they actually came out nice. They came out nice, really, really nice. I just wore them for that Sunday and went to church with it and just, you know, slay for that Sunday. And when I came back, I washed that shit out and put my hair back in converse, because girl, like I said, on Monday I got to go to work. I got to wake up early, and don't nobody have time to be twisting your hair in the morning. No, we do wigs on Monday, we do wigs on Tuesdays, we do wigs on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And maybe, just maybe, during the weekend, we may feel inspired to slay some hair. Other than that, that hair is gonna stay underneath that wig till that kingdom come. Amen. No, I'm kidding, guys. I do take out my hair during the week. I moisturize my hair every single day. Believe me. So that's it for the finger curls. They came out really nice, are bouncy, shiny, luxurious, twisted sister, whatever you want to say. Yeah, that's it. So I just wait for them to get dry and then unravel them, and they came out pretty nice. Guys, before I forget, let me tell you this. I would recommend you get your hands on them Treasuretress box. At least one. Just try it out. Just try it out. You subscribe, you get your first box. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. It's not a lifetime commitment. Nobody will, you know, put a gun to your head to, you know, keep getting them. Just get it for the first time. And if you don't like it, you subscribe. You know what I mean? And I personally thought of you guys, so I went and got a discount code for us, for you. So down in the description box below, you're gonna find a discount code to get 10% off your first box. 10% off. 10% off. How amazing is that? Just try it out. Just get the box, try it out. You know, you don't know what may come next month. You don't know what product may be next month. So just, you know, subscribe and enjoy your products, enjoy your box. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Besos.